action.
Okay, Cranial Fundamentals 2, now we have a different clearing. We're just adding more to it. Now we got 14 steps instead of half of that. Okay, so what is the first step? It's just like clearing 1.
The AKR release.
Well, we're doing the what? The AO, right? And we use a lot of AKR with that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we go into SS pivot. What does SS stand for?
The sphenoid squamous pivot.
Yeah. Sphenoid squamous, where the sphenoid meets the squamous suture, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pivoting point on that where those two bones come together. All right? There's no AKR with that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we go to what?
The OM.
The OM. Yep. And we go right all the way up the lambdoidal. All the way up the lambdoidal, remember?
Mm-hmm.
All the way up. Then we go into the
Temporal lift.
temporal lift. All right, yes, we do AKR with that, right? Especially people with hip pain, low back pain, shoulder issues. We got AKR that goes along with the temporal lift. What's next? We got, go ahead, shout it out.
The is it the airport? The airport.
Ear pull. With what?
The jaw.
AKR.
Yeah, AKR.
With the jaw, right? Then we do what? Sagittal? Same thing. Then parietal, right? Parietal, do we have AKR?
No.
No. What's after parietal? Frontal lift. No AKR. Then we got what? Frontal zygo. Right? No AKR. We have what? Sphenozygoma. Temporal zygoma.
The zygomax.
Huh?
Zygomax.
Zygomax. Alright. No AKR for all those. And then I'll jump over here to finish it off. Zygomax is what? Then we do PPF.
The frontal max.
Frontal max. Then what?
The
EVM. Very good, right?
Yes.
All right. Now, if someone comes in with their cranial vault compressed and they can't do much of any testing, not getting the feedback from them, what is the 3-step approach that we do? This right here, remember? We unjam them. They can be in brain fog, they're not muscle testing well, right? So if you can start your session with this to unjam people, right? And then we go back over here, go through the list, and then we finish with this, all right? Because this is part of the cranial facial bones. We're gonna make sure that everything that we do along here has to be followed up with that, okay? Does that make sense? So you might hit this twice in one session, this section right here. Sound good?
Yes.
All right.